This is a great practical way to get introduced to the problem-solving brief therapy model, which will change how you practice therapy if you allow it to. And this is for you if you want to impact your clients effectively and keep them engaged. And if you want to stay light in your work and present in your own life, this is a beautiful model that has built into it a foundation of respect, of boundaries, and how to get your clients into the driver's seat in a way that is considerate of their world, how they see themselves, the systems they function in. And other models divide people up and put their lives into different boxes. This model is holistic. We look at the systems, we look at their whys, we look at their motivation, and we build our therapy around that. So we end up rowing with our clients instead of against them. And we don't go in circles then. It is such a powerful model. And everybody who studies this says it totally changes the way they think about their clients and their role in their lives, and it empowers them. So I hope you'll take the time to watch these workshops, and we have a range of topics that apply to everything we face as therapists. Thanks so much.